swim here.
That's enough for me. I ain't going near the place.
Because this spot is infested with venomous sea snakes. Like, hello?
Yes, hello.
This is literally their home.
What? Yeah, sure, that's their home. Live it up. But still, I don't want my home to be the pearly gate.
But honestly, what they said was music to my ears.
I think you need your hearing checked.
Because little did they know, I actually flew all the way to Okinawa, Japan just to find one.
You what? Oh my god. I'm not why am I surprised? I'm not surprised. I'm really not surprised. Disappointed, but not surprised.
So the second I dove in, my eyes were darting everywhere for that black and white banded pattern.
I just saw it. What? You can't be looking very hard then. I just saw the black and white banded pattern. Oh, it's a fish.
One bite and I'm done.
Sounds like my family's meals.
But don't worry, they're usually pretty sharp.
Yeah, that's what they want you to think. Ooh, there's Alyssa. Hi, Alyssa. Just like that, pearly gates.
Before I went deeper, I had to stop and say hi to Nemo for good luck.
Hello, Nemo.
I don't know what you're saying!
You literally speak English.
Except this time, Nemo wasn't alone.
Sea snake.
There was a piece of trash right by his anemone.
Oh.
I carefully pulled it out from in front of a spiky sea urchin, swam it back to shore, and tossed it.
You see, we need you, Alyssa. Don't get yourself unalived by a snake now.
Because let's be real, humans are the actual infestation
Yeah.
down here, not the sea snake.
Yeah, they will sting you though.
After my ocean cleanup detour, I went back in and headed for the deep cave.
Sounds sketchy, man. I'm turning back.
If I were a sea snake, that's exactly where I'd be.
To be fair, you're there anyway. So who's to say you're not a sea snake?
But nope, no snake there, so I pushed even deeper toward the drop-off.
Sounds sketchy, man. I'm turning back.
Before I dove down, something flashed in the corner of my eye.
Sea snake.
Another venomous creature, the lionfish.
Oh, come on. It'll probably take you out before you even find the snake.
The currents had this guy all messed up.
Why are you taping your wheels? As if travelling isn't stressful enough, you've now got a bumpy suitcase. Honey, give me some space. I'm trying to take my suitcase. Hey, we're travelling. Yeah, with my suitcase. It's got tape on the wheels because I'm a cheesecake. What?
Cheesecake?
Is that baby?
Can't wait to shake it to the max again with this song.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back.
Right, why have you done that? Obviously the wheel still turns. You haven't taped the wheel to the cage.
Go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max.
Forget the Mentos for a sec. Can we go back to those wheels? Look at the state of those wheels. You're telling me that makes for a smooth ride?
So the DJ please turn all the bass to the max.
You dropped one! Guys, I do apologise. I'm sure you understand.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Oh, she actually shook it. Hang on, has that got an air tag in it? A flight attendant taught you to put an air tag in your Mento. What if you want to get a Mento out and you swallow an air tag? Oh, this will be nice.
To the max.
The doggy is
Shake it to the max.